Changing your phone number on Vodafone can be a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you begin, make sure you have your current phone number, your new phone number, and any necessary account information such as your Vodafone account details or PIN. Step 2. Contact Vodafone customer service. Reach out to Vodafone's customer service through their official website, app, or by calling their support number. Explain that you want to change your phone number and follow their instructions. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generate and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Provide new number details. Once your identity is verified, provide the customer service representative with your new phone number. They will process the request and inform you about any additional steps or confirmations needed. Step 5. Confirm the change. After the change has been processed, confirm that your new number is active. You may receive a confirmation message or email. Test your new number by making a call or sending a text. By following these steps, you can successfully change your phone number on Vodafone. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance.